Hey guys, Big Schmuck here and welcome back to some more Don't Starve Shipwrecked. Hopefully I'll enjoy the last video because I did enjoy making it. And yes, it has been oh god, which one? I think it's this one. Yeah, it is. Okay. But it has been a while since I've played the game, so basically I'll just go over the goals and tell you I'm gonna get right into it. So basically the goals to this video are to upgrade equipment, actually set up a good old base, and just gather a bunch of materials, get everything set up for hurricane season so we don't have to worry about it too much. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy the episode because I will enjoy making it, and let's get into it. Alright, so here we are back in the good old Don't Starve world. Okay, I need to try and remember how to do everything here real quick. That's map is tab. Alright, so basically from last episode we were going around and setting up these little camps, like with the campfires around all of the bases. There's a science machine. Yeah, I don't think I put one down there, which is nope, I did, right there. But yeah, I just basically went around and I put down some stuff on some islands, but I think I agreed that this was going to be my home island. Have I explored it fully? Yeah, I have. Yeah, then this is going to be my home island. So, first thing I want to do is get our tools upgraded. Do we have any gold? Oh, we do have gold. Okay. So, I want to make an alchemy engine. Alchemy engine is first priority. Yeah, I keep forgetting how easy it is to actually get stuff in this game. Like, yes, it seems hard, but it's really not, okay? So we got, did I get that second one? Oh, I did. Oh, I didn't have me make that other one. And then alchemy engine has been built. We no longer need this, but I'm just going to keep it up for decoration purposes, I guess. But yeah, we got all that done already. And we've literally been sorry, I can't talk today. It's been a little while since I've recorded. So I guess the second thing that should be a really good idea is to get a bunch of chests down. And then I forgot to while I was gone, I completely forgot to research what I needed to prepare before hurricane season because I'm not sure if food's going to be a real problem or anything like that. I should actually make my base here in the middle of the island, but you see I'm not that smart. So it might get flooded and I might need to make sandbags or something like that. So it's just a hot mess I need to look up. Alright, so I've been faced with an unpredictable problem. I am dying of hunger, so I'm not sure how long this video is gonna last, but I need to go out and try and find some stuff. I mean, I can scrounge a little bit here to get a little bit of my hunger up. Oh, no, not today, buddy. So I just got sand from that? Oh, that's stupid. Okay. Hopefully we have some seaweed out there, or else we are just boned. Get that right there. Oh, the rafters almost... Oh, yep, we got seaweed. Okay, that's good. That's very good, actually. Not much, but it should be enough to hold us off. Yeah, we're gonna have to go around the island just to try and find some, but... Well, I'm gonna go back and eat this, and just hopefully it'll get us by to the next one. There we go. Make that. That's another 10 food. Oh, food shouldn't be this much of an issue, but it is, because I can't plant anything. Oh yeah, we have coconuts still. Coconuts are good. Wrong thing. Alright, so we have some coconut. That's good. Just go around and harvest the coconuts, and tomorrow... I think we're going to have to ship out of the island just to make sure we can, like, maybe go around, find a lot of seaweed, maybe make some traps, all that kind of stuff. Wait, we have the alchemy engine. That means we can make lobster traps, I think. Hopefully it does. Hopefully that means we can make that, because that would be a real big lifesaver. Because lobsters equal food, and food is what we need. Make this. I might have to make another raft before we head out, too, because the one we have is already almost broken. Just so many problems. There we go. Made it by. Real nice. Okay, cook that. Hack you open. Alright. So, as you can see right there, it ain't looking too hot. I do not have the resources to make another boat. That is a crisis. Oh my god. There's just problem after problem here, man. So, basically. I know I'm saying basically a lot, but I just want to go around this island, see if I can find any seaweed or just anything I can get my dirty little hungry hands on, just like that right there. Go back, cook it, and all that. Oh my god, my boat's breaking. Yeah, I need to make a new boat before we do anything also. Oh, so many problems. Oh god. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Hello. Oh, did I die? Oh, I had one of these. Oh my god. Hey, at least I'm not hungry anymore. Oh, but I need to make a new raft. Oh, but I'm smart. I'm very smart, actually. You see this? This is what you call planning ahead. Planning ahead is good. I hate monkeys so much. Oh, there's a flint, there's a flint, there's a flint. All I need is to be able to, what is it? Do we have any flint here, or is there just nothingness? I have nightmare fuel. Yeah, I guess that could be good. Ah, there it is. Alright, so I just want to apologize right now. This was a very, very big cut, like a jump cut. I just needed to chill and get resources to be able to survive, so I had to build a whole new boat. I have to get off this island. I have to go, actually, I'm going to go try and find some more islands because, you know, the food down here isn't exactly the best, and I need to start kicking it into high gear or else I'm going to die. I'll just tell you right now, the chances are very, very high that I'm going to die. I'm not very good at Don't Starve. Yeah, I've always died without mods. I've always needed a, what is it? Oh god, like campfire revival mod, which I just could go to a campfire and just like not die or just revive myself. I'm one of them players who are very cheap when it comes to that kind of thing. But you know what? I want to play the game and I like it. I'll probably honestly install one of those mods while I'm gone before next episode. By the way, these videos will be going up every Wednesday because I like Don't Starve and Don't Starve's a Wednesday game. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you guys didn't catch the hint, I'm going right over to these buried treasure maps because why not? Hopefully they can give us some good stuff. Hopefully it's just not like 2 cooked pork chops and a piece of bread. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where this is going. But yeah, you can tell it's getting to tsunami weather. With the big waves. The big waves. Hey, is this a new island? Ooh, it is. Hopefully. Oh my god, never mind. I don't like this already. Apes are just a big pain in my butt. Like, nobody likes them. They're probably useful for something, but I don't know. I'll tell you. Hopefully we can get some food here. We're really hungry. I need to... Alright. Oh god, the game's saving. This may take a second. Oh, never mind. Usually it takes like forever for it to save. Oh my god. Just everything's burnt down. What the hell? Alright, sorry for another like jump cut and stuff, but I just want to tell you I'm probably gonna die. Look at my food. Look at what I got. Yeah, death is imminent. Unless I can get into my boat and find a single piece of seaweed immediately, I am basically just gonna ploop and die. Ooh, seeds actually. Okay, seeds may save. Seeds may come in the clutch. Okay, I have I have such... Oh my god, how did this happen? I'm so dumb. Forgot about it. This is what happens when you don't know how to play Don't Starve Shipwrecked. You die. You die very, very easily. And it sucks, because then you can't do fun stuff. It makes me angry. Yep, I think this is the end, boys. I think this is the end. Unless a magical piece of seaweed will come out of nowhere, this is the end. Yep, there we go. Oh, did we? Oh, we didn't even unlock your new character. Okay. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I know this was a disappointment and a really crappy video because I suck at Don't Starve and we basically did nothing. But just take into account I will be lining up a new game since Don't Starve is already like off the board and already done. So thank you all very much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it and I will see you all in the next one. I hope you all have a wonderful day.